Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. If you've been having fun with Snapchat but want to dial back on those personalized cameos or maybe they're just not your thing anymore, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how to remove cameos on Snapchat, whether you're using an Android or an iOS device. So let's jump right into it. Cameos on Snapchat are fun, personalized animations that feature your face, making your interaction unique and hilarious. But if you've decided they're not fun for you, removing them is a breeze. Let's start with our steps. Simply open your Snapchat application. Next, tap on your profile icon in the top left corner. Then tap on the gear icon to access your settings. Scroll down until you find Cameos option, then tap on it. Here you can see you can change your Cameo Selfie. Scroll down. After you scroll down, you can see clear my Cameo Selfie. Simply tap on it, then your Cameo Selfie will be removed. And that's all about it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel for more awesome tech tips and tricks.